Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Past simple for top 3 irregular verbs be, do, have with examples. Let's look at be, do, have in past simple. Be, was, were for positive form. Wasn't, weren't for negative form. Do, did for positive form. Didn't do for negative form. Have, had for positive form. Didn't have for negative form. And now let's look at positive form questions, short answers, negative form of be, do, have in past simple. Be, was, were, question plus positive form. Who was at the park with you yesterday? Tom and Kate were at the park with me yesterday. Be was singular, question plus short answer plus negative form plus positive form. Was Nick with you too? No, he wasn't. Nick wasn't at the park yesterday. He was at the cinema. Be, were, plural, question plus short answer plus negative form plus positive form. Were your parents in India last month? No, they weren't. They weren't in India. My parents were in China last month. Do, did, question plus short answer plus positive form. Did you do all the housework this morning? Yes, I did. I did all the housework this morning. Question plus short answer plus negative form plus positive form. Did you do gymnastics last year? No, I didn't. I didn't do gymnastics. I did yoga last year. Have, had, question plus positive form. What did you have for dinner last night? I had fish with fries and salad last night. Have, had, question plus short answer plus positive form. Did you have a nice weekend? Yes, we did. We had a fantastic weekend. Have, had, question plus short answer plus negative form plus positive form. Did you have a school reunion last Friday? No, I didn't. I didn't have a school reunion. I had a corporate party last Friday. See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.